Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to install the latest version of PHP, that is PHP 7.2 at the time of recording this video. The first thing I want to mention is that whenever you first open the git bash after closing it in a previous time, when you try to log into your virtual container like SSH, your IP, then if you are not using the default SSH key name, that is the ID_RSA, just like in previous I have added my SSH key as ID_RSA Digital Ocean, then in that case we have to manually again add the key once again, just like this, eval, then add it. It kind of works like a browser session, just like whenever the browser is closed it forgets who you are. So if you are not using the default SSH key name, which is up to this, then you have to do the step I just have done right now. Otherwise you can just do this SSH and login. It will automatically pick up because ID_RSA is the default SSH name. Okay, so we're gonna now log in to our container and I'm logged in. So before we install PHP, first I'm going to use some commands. Sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. So what this command does is that the first command, this one, apt-get update, it checks whether there is any update available for the packages, and if there is any update then this apt-get upgrade command will install them for you. So let's do it. And I think we do have some updates here. I want to install. Good job. It's installing the available updates. Okay, so all the updates are installed, and now to install PHP 7 we are going to add a third-party repository by ondrej. I don't know what's the name. Don't remember properly. Anyway, so to add the repository, first we need a package. It's the Python software properties. So add it. Sudo apt-get install Python software properties. Install it. It's done. Now let's add the repository. Okay, and it's sudo add-apt-repository. The repository name is ppA_ondrej/php. Yeah, did it properly. Enter. It's added. Yeah, okay. So once again let's check whether there is any updates available for the packages. Sudo apt-get update. Well, basically you can use this update and upgrade commands every time you log into your container. It's gonna help you to keep all the packages updated. And now we're gonna just directly install the PHP. Sudo apt-get install PHP 7.2. Yes, so it's actually installing all the modules of PHP 7.2, all the common modules. It's gonna take little time, not much. It depends upon the bandwidth of your server, which is definitely way more higher than what commonly we use for our personal computers. Anyway, so after this is done, there will be some other modules I'll install which are often required by some of the popular PHP applications. Let's do it now. Okay, so these are the packages you can see. These are the modules, sorry. php-pear, curl, mbstring, this is required in Laravel, and of course the FastCGI Process Manager. And don't worry, I'll give all the commands in the description. Install all the modules. Yes, it's installing the modules. Okay, so all the modules have been installed properly. Now let's see our PHP version, php-v. Okay, PHP 7.2.3, this is the latest now. Okay, now you have probably noticed that I have installed the FastCGI Process Manager. Let's restart this one and check how it's working. So sudo systemctl restart PHP 7.2 fpm. Okay, now let's check the status. Sudo service PHP 7.2 fpm status. Wow. So FastCGI FastCGI Process Manager is working properly. It's active and running. We'll set it in future via Nginx. Everything looks perfect. So that's it for this video. Our next video is gonna be how to install and set up MariaDB. Thanks for watching.